Open the upper cover. Loosen the left and right fixing screws that fix the feeder. Pull out the right side first. Then pull the left side out. Disconnect this plug. Disconnect this plug and remove the wrapped cable. At this point, the paper feeder can be taken out. Install the feeder. Open the upper cover. Connect the left plug of the machine first. Pass the red and black cables from the bottom. Snap into the card slot. Then wrap the cable around the side of the feeder in this manner. Be careful not to wrap the cable into this black part or the feeder will not function properly. Pay particular attention to the fact that the cable enters the machine from the bottom. Insert the excess cable through this hole. Push the left side into the machine first. Push it into the right again and align the screw hole. Lock the screws. The feeder is installed.